this hose here. Come on. Okay, that's connected. Now this is 12 millimeter here. Break that loose. Break that loose. Break this loose. I always like to break the bolts loose before all of them loose before I take them off. Take these off. Go with the gun. Go with the gun. If you can do it faster, do it. I always say. Okay. Alright, these are all the same size. Alright, that's that. Now, let me see. Looks like there's some coolant hoses. If I can find. You want to take these hoses loose. Maybe have a catch pan underneath. Catch the coolant. Not very much will come out, but some will come out. Okay. Now, okay. Get this out of the way here. Okay, now I believe this is a 10 millimeter. These. No, it's not. See? That's what I get for thinking. They're 12s, of course. Yes, they're 12s. Of course. Okay. Just kind of break that loose. Take that connector off. Just break that loose and then find what that is. What size is that? Torx 50. You always want to start in the middle, just break them all loose first. Okay. I usually like using a gun on these just because I don't want to mess anything up. I can just turn it by hand anyway.